Hello, this is Trudy. Welcome to my channel. Today I am in the historic Split, Croatia, and I'm going to take you on a walking tour to the UNESCO World Heritage Site area that was created by the Roman Emperor Diocletian back in the 3rd century. It's incredible. It's basically an open-air museum, and I'm going to share as much of that with you as I can, and also show you the beautiful harbor front here, and also not to leave out the narrowest street in the world. Yes, here in Split, Croatia. So come along and join me and see why you should come visit this incredible city.
From the Riva Promenade, I take the entrance into the underground cellars of Diocletian's Palace. I continue on until exiting out the other side into the main square or peristyle of the Diocletian Palace and Cathedral.
The Temple of Jupiter is now a baptistery, and evidently Diocletian built this because he believed he was the son of Jupiter. Okay? Not a bit of ego there at all, right? Right next to the Temple of Jupiter is what's considered the narrowest street in the world, and it's less than a yard in width. I'm going to go through it right now, and here we go. In Split, Croatia. Did you ever know? The narrowest street in the world. Here we go. That's it. That's all there was to it. There it is.
Bishop Gregory of Nin introduced the Croatian language into religious services. Legend says that if you rub the toes of a statue, you receive good luck.
And don't forget to shop in Croatia. I just bought this dress. Walking throughout the Diocletian complex, you'll see just ruins and mosaics that are just preserved and standing right there. So it's really like an open air museum, as well as the specific buildings. Like, for example, here we're looking at some mosaics. I was just thinking it reminded me a little bit of Pompeii. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had such an incredible day, and since I'm so close to Italy, I decided to end it with gelato. They have a lot of lavender flavor. You'll notice lavender in the stores. And so don't miss out on the lavender gelato. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Until next time, bon voyage and bon appetit.